Hello, my fellow YouTubers. I wanted to send this message out to all you guys that care about Lionel TMCC and the early versions of Lionel's control system. We need to write Lionel and plead with them to either release the engineering on the old TMCC so replacement parts can be made for all of the early TMCC stuff, or encourage them to offer us upgrade kits with the legacy so we can repair all of our older engines that are dying and parts are disappearing. If we don't do this, Lionel's going to lose a huge legacy part of their Lionel trains, and that's the early TMCC stuff, because parts are dying, cards are not available. So we need to encourage Lionel to produce either upgrade kits similar to MTH, or to at least offer some engineering parts so that we can recreate cards and get the older stuff, keep it running. Anyway, I've produced a letter. I'm going to put it after this. You guys read it over and send a message to Mr. Hancock at Lionel and tell them they're going to lose a whole part of their industry if they don't support upgrades or kits to keep their old stuff running. So read the letter and write one to Mr. Hancock yourself. Thanks.